Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Incognito on iPhone means using a browser private mode that does not save local history or cookies. This mode avoids storing pages in your local Safari history. It does not guarantee anonymity from networks, employers, or websites you visit. Always expect that your ISP and sites can still log activity. The only effective local privacy option is private browsing in Safari or a browser's private mode. I will explain precise steps to open private browsing and to reduce syncing and local traces. Open Safari on your iPhone to start a private browsing session. Tap the tabs icon in the lower right corner to view all open tabs. Then tap Private in the lower left corner to switch into private browsing mode. Tap the plus icon at the bottom to open a new private tab for your session. Use one private tab or many, depending on needs. When finished, close all private tabs to end the session and remove stored cookies and local page data. To prevent private sessions from leaking to other devices, open Settings on the iPhone. Tap your name, then iCloud, and toggle off Safari to disable iCloud Safari Sync. Next, open Settings, scroll to Safari, and choose Clear History and Website Data to remove local traces. For added network privacy, use a reputable VPN and prefer HTTPS websites to reduce network-level tracking. Remember, private mode clears local session data, but does not make you anonymous to websites or your internet provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.